burlap banner. It's on the same little rope as well, which I can always change out the rope, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. But anyway, I got this from Amazon. It was only, I think, what, $6? It's by Thanks Tom's, I believe it's called. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do with this, I have some stencils. Where did I put it? Oh, there it goes. These stencils were, I think, $2. I got this from Walmart. I was gonna order on Amazon, but Amazon, it was actually more. Amazon, it was like $6, and this here was $4. So I think I did a really good job on that deal. And so these are just the little stencils, and I'm gonna use my blue paint and put it on here, and I'm gonna hang this here from the fireplace, and it's gonna say Our Story. Check that out, Our Story. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I'm getting ready to burlap banner. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do like a couple of them, and then I'll show y'all the finished product for this here as well, okay? So I'm going to show you really quickly how I did so all I did was I emptied, of course,